Hey everybody, it's Katie. We are getting down to the wire before Christmas now, and I'm sure you all have it together way more than I do, and you're not still trying to scramble and find gifts. If that's the case, then this is maybe an idea you can just kind of stash away in your memory for like an anniversary or Valentine's Day or something like that. But if you are like me and you're looking for maybe something little to kind of like round out what you have to give to somebody, for me it is Mike, because we really only give each other kind of things that we really need. Like he asked me for colorful socks and I asked him for a water bottle. So we know we're getting those things, but otherwise we're not doing a whole lot for each other this year. I did want to do something that was like a little bit more sentimental though, but you know, something that could be done easily and on a budget, sort of under our limitations this year. I know I came across something like this on Pinterest at some point, but I think I've kind of made it my own. So here's the idea. I think it's really good for husbands, partners, but it also could be kind of like tweaked for a coworker or other relatives or whoever. So the idea is you just get a set of envelopes. You could also do like little boxes or something, but I have six or seven, and you write on them, open me on different occasions. I thought of all these things in the context of these would be envelopes that Mike would take to work with him and kind of like, you know, be able to open from there. So one of them is if he forgot lunch. I went to just a little sandwich place across the street. They don't do gift cards or gift certificates per se, but I talked to the owner and got him to like write a little message on a business card that he'll honor for $10. So if Mike forgets his lunch, which he does, I don't know, maybe once a month or so, he doesn't have to worry about like scraping up the cash. The place is cash only, so that'll just buy him a lunch. This one is open me when there's something to celebrate. And what I have inside is a Groupon I got, so that saved me a little bit of money. It's a Groupon, I paid $5 and it's worth $10, and it's for a bakery here that we like going to. It's something that we could use to order like a cake, or just go on a Saturday and get donuts and breakfast burritos and that kind of stuff. It does have an expiration date of March 18th, so I put that on the envelope, so that'll force him to find an occasion to celebrate in the next few months. Here is one, try to be a little bit clever, open me when you're feeling lucky, and inside I have a scratch-off lottery ticket. I meant to spend just like $1 or $2 on this, but I ended up getting a $5 one by accident, so hopefully he wins big. This one is open me when you need some excitement, and inside I have Pop Rocks. If you don't live in the US or if you weren't alive in the 80s, this is like a candy that sort of explodes in your mouth, so that's the joke. For this one, open me when you need a laugh. This could have been anything. I thought about just writing out a joke or finding a comic you liked or something, but I ended up just getting a few prints, funny pictures of the kids that we like. They were 20 cents a piece to get them printed at Walgreens. This one is sort of a voucher idea. Open this one when you're really tired. I thought about what I could like offer him that he would really, really enjoy. I thought of doing like a special meal or like an idea for a date night or something like that. But what I came up with was I made just a little coupon on like construction paper that is for one morning of sleeping in when I will take the kids. He can choose whenever that is. At this point in our lives, I think he would truly appreciate that. And the last one is the most sentimental. It is just open me when you need to know that you're loved, and I'm gonna write like, you know, a nice letter. So hopefully he'll like some of these things. At least he'll know that I put some thought into it. The whole gift cost me about $20, you know, all the little things combined. A couple other little ideas I had that I didn't use. We're not Starbucks people, but like a little $5 Starbucks card would be a really good gift. Maybe a coupon for a car wash. Maybe movie tickets, or like a DIY coupon for a massage or something. I don't know. You can obviously tailor it to your situation. Merry Christmas if you celebrate, and if you don't, or you're watching this some other time of year, have a good day.